Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free Litecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe. First of all, copy your Litecoin wallet address from deposit. Go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address in here and come in this website. This website link available in the description. You can claim up to 1000 Satoshi of Litecoin every 3 minutes. Paste your Litecoin wallet address in here and just click login. Okay, after clicking login, for you need to click continue. After clicking continue, solve this capture. It's too easy to solving this capture. It's not too hard. Just click the available word and just click recapture, solve it, and just click verify capture. After verifying capture, you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay, and you can see a lot of people making randomly number of Satoshi from this website. And I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website send me or not? In here you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.